What are you doing?
Making
Caleb's gonna have some? What's in it? Cool Whip? And strawberries? Lemon juice? And Oreo cookies. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Look at Mommy. Yep. Okay, what do you do after?
Stirring.
You're stirring? After you stir it, you put it in the pan, huh?
Yeah, I go up and down.
Uh-huh, and then we put it in the freezer. Say freezer. Look at me and say freezer.
Freezer.
Are you having fun?